Hi guys, I am Carlo Gechkome, an Enugu-based fashion designer. I hope today is a great day and please do have a reason to smile today, okay? So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a tote bag. Here are the measurements I'll be using for this project. With that being said, I'll be using my iron to stick this gums there onto the main fabric. I'll be doing same on this little piece which I'll use to form the pockets, one of the pockets. Here is the size of this pocket. While I fold to form the pocket, come closer. Are you new to my channel or a returning friend? I want to say thank you and welcome to my channel. Here I do mostly DIYs. If this is something you find interesting or you know someone who would love to be my member, share this video, like, comment, also subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I make posts. So this tote bag is an accessory to my new outfit design. With one of the pockets ready, I will proceed to folding the main fabric, that's the body of the bag, into two equal parts and iron down to find the bottom midpoint horizontally. The half inch on top is for sewing allowance. Then at both ends of the bottom, mark out 2 inches wide and 1.5 inch high respectively. Now cut through the indicator line, and this first place I'm cutting out is for one of the side pockets, while down is to give the bag shape or form. Here I am marking out the half inch on both ends, that's for my sewing allowance. That's where I will join and also mark out the space for the pockets, because it will have an inner pocket. Now open the fold, mark out 3 inches on both sides of the midpoint on the two cutouts. While I prep the handle, I hope you understand all that I'm doing and saying. Here is the lining. Take out the same exact measurement you took out from the bottom sides of the main body and proceed to the machine. So now I will join the cutouts by 0.5 inch, that's half inch. I will stop midpoint to create space for the internal pocket. And continue my sewing after creating the space. Now open the seams to join the pieces for the internal pocket. Watch how I'm placing and sewing so that you will not make mistakes while you try yours. Top stitch this area so that it won't pop out afterwards. How do you see this pocket? Fast and easy, yeah? Very cute. You can try it on your own. Then after joining the two ends, you now have to seal off the sides. Let's join the other cutouts, but now we won't be leaving any space for pocket because this side will have a patch pocket, which I'll be joining to the body of the bag. I am now sewing together the formed handles. With the handles and two key holder hooks already attached to the body of the bag, let's run some stitch across them to hold it in place before joining the sides of the bag. Now let's join the side, starting from top to bottom. and button to top. Now align the midpoint of your sewing and that of the bottom of the bag and sew. Do it on both sides and ends. And turn inside out afterwards. And check all your sewing to be sure you've made no mistake before joining the lining. And also don't forget to repeat all that you did on the main body of the bag on the lining. That's joining the sides and the bottom part, aligning it to the side seams. Now carefully attach the lining to the bag with the good sides facing each other and sew right round, leaving a 2-inch space so that you can use it and turn it inside out before sealing comes. Now turn inside out by pulling out the good sides from inside before you seal the bag. And voila, here is our tote bag ready to use. So before I end this video, I want to thank you all for watching and also seal up the top end of this bag so that the lining will not be popping out while you use it. So at this juncture, I'll have to say thank you. Try this out on your own. Why buy it when you can make it? Do have a nice day and thank you for watching. Bye. Share your thoughts and views about the color, the combination, the sewing, and all of that. Hope to hear from you soon. Subscribe, like, share, and leave your thoughts. Bye.